Networking. Where do I find people to network with? 1. Existing networks. Start by asking people you know, for example, family, friends, professors, supervisors, colleagues, and etc., to see if they can introduce you to someone else who can answer your career-related questions or connect you to different opportunities. Individuals who know you well can vouch for you in front of others. 2. Professional events. Join a professional association in your field and attend their networking events, conferences, conventions, and their professional development sessions to meet others in your line of work. You can also check out similar events organized by the Career and Co-op Center, your faculty in school, and student unions and groups. 3. Social media platforms. Websites such as LinkedIn and Meetup can help connect you to like-minded professionals from various fields and disciplines in your local area. You can also build your own professional identity or brand online by using Twitter or other blogging sites, for example Medium, to share or write about your area of expertise. For more information or further tips and tricks, visit us at the Career and Co-op Center. Feel free to attend one of our many workshops or even make your one-to-one appointment with our career educators.